Meaning of hemorrhoids.
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 Hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids are swollen veins located in the rectum and anus. They may cause discomfort, pain, itching, and bleeding during bowel movements. Hemorrhoids can be caused by several factors, including frequent constipation, pregnancy, heredity, and aging. Mild cases can be treated with home remedies, such as increasing fiber intake and using over-the-counter ointments. For more severe cases, medical treatment may be necessary, including procedures such as rubber band ligation, sclerotherapy, or surgery. It is important to consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist or worsen.